Here we have a new Gehl R190 Skidsteer. Height fully raised 3 meters to the bottom of the bucket. This Skidsteer is fitted with a 69 horsepower Yanmar engine. It's joystick controlled as shown. It has high flow hydraulics, auxiliaries either side. It's currently fitted with pallet forks with a large range of attachments is available here at EMS Machinery. Has soft ride, also known as hydroglide. Has a rear counterweight. This is a very versatile machine and would suit any farm, construction or higher industry. It's a very easy to operate skid steer. Work lights also come as standard. Finance options are also available.